Hello everyone, in this video we will take a look at how to create QR code using Google Chrome. QR stands for Quick Response. You know that the barcode holds information horizontally. The QR code holds them both horizontally and vertically. This enables the QR code to hold over 100 times more information than the barcode. To create a QR code, all you need to do is launch the browser and then open the website you want to create a QR code for. For instance, I'm going to open my own website, and with the website open, go to the address bar on the right hand side and click on this little icon right here. When you click on that, you should see this menu, and from the menu you have to select the option Create QR code. So select that and it immediately generates a QR code for that website. You can go ahead and even download that QR code onto your computer. Let me do that. You can see the QR code for this website. It's a PNG image. You can save it onto your computer. Now you can quickly access that QR code as an image file, which you can then print or share with anyone you want to. All they need to do is scan this QR image and it will take them to your website. So that's basically how you can create a QR code easily for any website using the Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck. My name is Zia Maliki from Information Technology and ziamaliki.com. I really do appreciate your support, and I shall catch you in my next video. Have a lovely day and bye for now.